Hi, my name is Dr. David Phillips. I'm the inventor of the Rebuilder. If you're serving people right now, patients suffering from chronic nerve pain, then you have many issues that you're having to deal with. And I can help you solve all those issues simply and increase your time with your family, increase your income, increase the patient outcome, and your own credibility amongst your other peers in addition to that. The Rebuilder is basically the real bottom line secret to accomplishing all of this. The Rebuilder can actually fix the problem, and it can give you feedback immediately with the first visit with the patient in your office. And then the Rebuilder is designed for the patient to take home so that you don't have to continue to treat the patient 2 or 3 times a week. He's treating himself twice a day at home, and you get the credit. You're probably wondering now why you should even trust the Rebuilder. One reason is that we've been serving patients for over 30 years. It's made in America. It has a lifetime warranty. There's no problems with it, and it actually gets the job done. Many studies have demonstrated that it provides a 94% success rate for patients suffering from pain and numbness, including tingling, stabbing pains, all the various symptoms that patients with peripheral neuropathy present with. For example, Cancer Treatment Centers of America have been using it for more than 20 years. And we have over 550 case studies showing success. Besides that, we have an unlimited, I think, number of testimonials from both happy patients and their families and other chiropractic physicians like yourself. The whole idea is not to just mask the symptoms like drugs or injections and that kind of stuff. The Rebuilder actually fixes the problem. The way the Rebuilder fixes the problem is that it reads the nerves and then it sends a compensating signal to fix the nerves. It changes 7.83 times every second. It doesn't give you a standard signal that overrides and creates so much noise that the brain doesn't hear the signals and therefore it doesn't feel the pain. And it only works with these other TENS devices temporarily. Click the link below to become a registered Rebuilder provider. We have a lot of patients calling us all the time looking for a Rebuilder provider, and I would love to be able to send them to you.